What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and edit Metafields on your products page on your Shopify store. So let's get right to it. First of all, here I have my Shopify store open. Here I have my Shopify account and I am signed in right here. And what I want to do is on my products page, for example, create like a collapsible button so that when you click on it, it displays some info. So let me give you an example. Here, let's go to online store right here. And here, themes should be selected by default. If not, just click on it and then go to your current theme and then click on customize. And in here, we want to select the products page and then select default product. And here I have like set up a test or a dummy product here just to demonstrate what I mean. Now let's, in the template here, let's add a block and let's make it a collapsible row. And here it'll show up like at the bottom here. We want it to show here above the add to cart. So here on the left, let's drag it like above the buy now button. And here it should show up here. And here what I want to do, or what I mean, is that let's say I want to create a collapsible button that shows like the material. So that when the customer like clicks on it or like expand it, it'll show the materials, different materials for this product. In this case, this black hoodie. So like the material for like the hoodie is like cotton or whatever. And the labels are like polyester, something like that. So here what you can enter, you can add the row content right here. However, we want it to show up like more data. And let's say we want to add another collapsible row or a collapsible button here to display like the sizing chart. So display a table where you can like help you select the size based on your weight, for example. So in order to do so, let's first go back and create another collapsible row. Let's add another block collapsible row as well. And then let's display like below the material. And let's click on it and rename it like size chart. And you can add another collapsible row to like display different shipping like fees or shipping rates for different like countries, and the options are like endless. So to set up the Metafields right for these collapsible rows, let's save the changes that we made. We will go back to this product page later. However, for now, let's close it. Let's exit the customizing and let's go to settings right here. And in the settings, we want to go to custom data. And here, as you can see, in the Metafields option, there aren't any Metafields created. So we want to create a couple for the products. So click on the products right here. And as you can see, there aren't any definitions. So you want to create new fields here to your product. So add definition. And the first one should be like we created materials. So materials. Okay. And the namespace and keys, just leave them as they are. And the description. So the material of the product. Okay, select type. Here we can select the type of the content that will appear. So a single line, multiple line, date and time, date, dimensions, volume, weight, etc. So here we will add a multi-line text. Okay, and the all these settings, just leave them as they are, and then click on save. And we want to add another definition for like the size chart. Okay, and leave the namespace and key, and let's add in the description like size chart based on body weight. Okay, and then here select type. We want to add, or we want to redirect it to a page here where the like the table is created. So because we do not have here a table, an option to create a table, we will instead create the table on a page and then redirect or link the page to this meta field right here. And now select one page and leave the rest of the settings as they are, and then click on save. Okay, now that the meta fields are created, now we want to create the page for the size chart so that we can link them together. Now here, let's exit now and then go to pages in the online store right here, and then add a page, and then we can name it like size. And here in the content, or let's add a table, insert table. Okay, and then insert row below. So we want like 5 rows for the 5 sizes that we have added, and then insert column after. So here we can add the 4 sizes, so like small, large, small, medium, sorry, first, medium before large, so medium, okay, large, and X large. So here, small, for the small, let's say between like 50 to 60, your body weight should be between 50 to 60 kilograms. Okay, the medium is like 60 to 70 kilogram, and the large is between 70 to 80 kilograms, and then 80 to 90 for the X large. Of course, these numbers I just made them up right now. How it was just to show you the method. Okay, and then we just want to click on save right here. Okay, and now everything is ready. Now let's go back to the product page in the theme, like customized theme, it's like setup right here to link the collapsible rows to their respective meta fields. So let's go back to the products page here in the settings, default product, and then here let's select the material meta field right here, and then here in the row content, click on connect dynamic source, and then select here the materials. Okay, then click on the materials, click on edit value. It'll like open right here in a new tab. Click on the materials and then enter like the materials for like the hoodie is cotton, and the packaging is like plastic, for example. Of course, if you have like an electronics product, of course it'll have like different materials like plastic, aluminum, and so on. And here we'll click on save. And for the size chart here, we want to select the page that has the content, because we set up the size chart to link to a page. Select the page and then select size, and then click on save right here. Okay, wait for the page to save, and now once the meta fields are saved, go back to your customize here, and let's save the settings, the customize product page. And then once we click on the material right here, as you can see, the values will be shown. And now let's link for the size chart edit settings. Here we want to select row content from page, connect dynamic source, and then select the size chart. Okay, and once now you click to expand the size chart, it'll show the table that we created. So once you are happy with all your settings, just save here the product page, and then it'll show up like this in your Shopify store. So that's how easy it is to create and edit meta fields for your products on your Shopify store.